Gonna be a bumpy ride for some of us. Nothing severe in the area, but we do have some thunderstorms ongoing, especially in North Alabama, and every now and then we'll see some flashes of lightning here from our Coleman Regional Medical Center Skycam. Obviously, you can see the pavement is wet. We've already had some rain in the area. We're currently at 66 degrees right now in Coleman, and there's a look at some of our Skycams elsewhere. Visibility is pretty good. As we go to first warning live radar, you can see as we put everything in motion, we've got some scattered storms, again, mainly up here across some of our southern counties. And so for places like Coleman and over toward Double Springs and into Winston County, that's really where we're seeing the majority of the heavier storms at the moment, from again, just to the east of Hamilton and Guin, and now kind of heading over toward Lake Martin and in parts of Blount County too. Thunder and lightning with a lot of these. Then as you get down to Birmingham, we've had a few spotty showers, but boy, not much. Coverage is pretty limited as you get south of I-20. All right, let's talk about the severe weather risk for today. So it is highest west of us, and for us, the majority of the severe weather threat will likely come in as we get into this evening and into tonight. You'll notice most of central Alabama is under a slight risk for severe storms, again, mainly this evening and into tonight. And as we show you again, mainly north central Alabama, just about the entire state under that level too. So what kind of hazards are we talking if we do get a few severe storms? Damaging winds looks to be the main hazard. I can't rule out some hail or an isolated brief tornado. Some heavy downpours too with that round that comes in a little bit later on today. But let's show you the future track. So as we go forward in time, some of those storms that are up along the Highway 278 corridor, those look to slide off to the east southeast, but we may get a few additional to develop or slide in from Mississippi between the middle and latter part of the morning hours. And some of those may be ongoing through the afternoon as well. It's just that coverage is not terribly widespread until we get into later on this evening and tonight. So this is 7 o'clock, and you can see now just a large area of heavy rain. Thunderstorms are moving in, and if we can tap into enough fuel, which will be waning as we get into the nighttime period, some of those storms could produce some of those damaging straight line winds and maybe even a brief tornado too. So we'll have to watch those very closely heading into tonight. Some really good rain, hopefully with some of those as well. We could use some beneficial rain. And then heading into Wednesday, if we do get some redevelopment during the afternoon and evening hours, it's likely going to be south of I-20 for that time period. And then we should start to see some things improving. And there's a look at some of the latest timing. So Hamilton, Fayette, Reform, again, this is for the storms coming in later on tonight, 6 to 10 as you get closer to the I-65 corridor. And then after that, as you scoot a little further to the east. Temps are coming down. We are going to see some showers, maybe a few storms Friday night into early Saturday. And then we're just overall cooler than we have been with some chilly morning lows by Saturday and Sunday. Back to you.